Hello everyone, welcome to English with Europe. Today I'm gonna narrate a story about grammar family. So, without any further ado, let's get to the story. Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Lingoville, lived a remarkable family known as the grammar family. Each member of the family had a unique talent that contributed to the beauty and clarity of language. Okay, here we have our first member of the family. Papa Pronoun was the head of the family. He was known for his ability to replace nouns and make sentences flow smoothly. He would often say, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Use this wisely and your sentences will never go astray. Mama Noun was the heart of the grammar family. She named everything in Lingoville, from the tallest tree to the tiniest ant. Her words gave identity and meaning to the world around them. Every person, place, thing and idea needs a name, she would say. And that's where I come in. Uncle Verb was the action hero of the family. He brought life and movement to sentences, whether it was running, jumping, thinking or dreaming. Uncle Verb was always in the middle of the action. Without me, sentences would just stand still, he proudly declared. Aunt Adjective added color and description to the world. She loved to dress up nouns with her beautiful words. Bright blue sky, delicious sweet apple, brave little boy. My words make everything more interesting, she exclaimed. Cousin Adverb was Aunt Adjective's close companion. He enhanced verbs, adjectives, and even other verbs with his modifiers. Running quickly, speaking softly, or smiling brightly. Cousin Adverb knew just how to add a little extra to everything. Little Conjunction was the family connector. She brought words, phrases, and clauses together, ensuring everything made sense. And, but, or, so, I'm the glue that holds thoughts together, she chirped. Grandpa Preposition was the wise old sage. He showed relationships between nouns and other words in a sentence. Under the table, over the hill, through the forest, I guide the way, he said with a twinkle in his eye. Baby Interjection was the youngest and the most expressive of the family. She could convey strong emotions with just a single word. Wow! Ouch! Hooray! I'm here to show how we feel, she would shout with glee. One day, the grammar family decided to throw a grand party for all the residents of Lingoville. They wanted to celebrate the beauty of language and the importance of each family member. Invitations were sent out to all the parts of speech, and soon the town was abuzz with excitement. At the party, everyone played games that involved forming sentences, and there were contests to see who could come up with the most descriptive phrases. Papa Pronoun and Mama Noun hosted a storytelling corner, where they narrated tales filled with vibrant verbs, amazing adjectives, and precise prepositions. Little Conjunction made sure everyone felt included and connected, while Baby Interjection's enthusiastic outbursts kept the energy high. By the end of the night, everyone in Lingoville understood just how important each member of the grammar family was. They realized that only by working together could they create clear, beautiful, and expressive language. And so, the grammar family continued to live in harmony, leaving the residents of Lingoville communicate with ease and elegance. Their legacy was one of unity, clarity, and the power of words. And that's the story of the grammar family, who taught everyone the value of each part of speech in making our language rich and meaningful. Thanks for listening.